The new campus at Richmond-Chesterfield is a game changer for our students because they are going to be learning in real-world environments, and they will build confidence for their future careers.
Our new nursing labs have been designed with our employers in mind. Our students are going to get real-world experience by being in these labs. The hands-on experience will make them the best possible nurses they can be.
The new lab is set up like a hospital. We have a real nursing unit. We have all types of beds. We have pediatric beds, we have neonatal beds, we have med-surg beds. Students are going to be learning in an environment that mirrors the healthcare system. It helps students build confidence before they go to clinical.
The new nursing labs here at Stratton College and their new beautiful facility are an amazing instructional opportunity for our students here. They allow us to do more hands-on training, more real life kinds of training, and allows you to understand what job settings and job goals are.
It's really important that our students have hands-on learning because just knowing things from the textbook is not enough. We want our nursing students and all of our students to be well-rounded, to have both the technical as well as that hands-on experience so that they can be the very best nurses.